Lenovo just delivered one of the most impressive quarterly reports in its history. Revenue for the fourth quarter hit $21.6 billion, up 27% from the same period last year. That's the fastest growth in 5 years. The company's net income also jumped nearly sixfold to $521 million, far outpacing expectations. This performance has already moved the market. Shares in Hong Kong surged as much as 20%, the biggest jump in years. The question now is whether this momentum can continue. The company's annual revenue reached $83.1 billion, up 20% year-over-year. More importantly, ag-related sales nearly doubled and now make up 1/3 of total revenue. This is a major shift for a company that once relied heavily on traditional hardware. The Infrastructure Solutions division, which includes data centers and cloud infrastructure, hit record revenue of $19.2 billion and turned fully profitable for the first time. This division is now a key growth engine. Investors are watching closely because this is more than just a quarterly win. Lenovo is. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Setting a new target: $100 billion in annual revenue within the next 24 months. That's a bold move, especially in a market where many tech companies are still adjusting to AI's growing influence. The company's AI division is now a major contributor, with revenue up 105% year-over-year. In Q4 alone, AI-related sales accounted for 38% of the quarter's total revenue. This suggests that Lenovo is positioning itself as a major player in the AI infrastructure space. The company's profit also rose significantly. Shareholder profit increased 38% to $1.91 billion for the full year, and the Q4 profit of $521 million was more than double the $90 million reported last year. Analysts had expected $291 million, so the actual result was a pleasant surprise. This kind of performance usually leads to a stronger stock price, especially when it's backed by real revenue growth and a clear strategic direction. But the real test is whether the company can maintain this pace. The AI market is still evolving, and while demand is strong, competition is fierce. Companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel are all vying for a piece of the AI infrastructure pie. Lenovo's ability to scale its AI division and maintain profitability will be key. The company's stock has already responded positively, but the next signal investors will be watching is whether this momentum translates into consistent performance in the coming quarters. If the company can hit its $100 billion revenue target within 2 years, it could attract even more investor interest. Right now, most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The market is reacting to the numbers, but the real story is about where Lenovo is heading. The company is clearly shifting its focus toward AI and infrastructure solutions, and that's a major strategic move. If they can maintain this trajectory, they could become a dominant force in the AI hardware market. But if they hit a wall, the stock could correct. The next few quarters will be crucial in determining whether this is a one-time win or the start of a new trend.